Doesn't matter. It's not about the style. It's just, my style is surviving. I'm Gloria Gaynor style. Breaking bombs everywhere. Yeehaw. Oh. Single. Let's try something less hard this time. Duh. Yeah, right. Jesus fuck. Ooh. Oh shit. How big is this? Oh, it's not even a drop if you roll it. Fuck. You can boot that. This must get a lot nastier at some point here. Or not. Ooh, that was close. Look out for the trees. Oh yeah, that's slippery when wet, I'll bet. Yeah, nice. Let's watch Mitchie come through here. Nice. Like it ain't no thing. It's crunchy. It's really crunchy. Yeehaw. Oh shit. Oh no. What the fuck is that? Oh Lord almighty, it's really rugged. Fuck, that's fucking nice. Oh, not bad. What happened? Yeah, that's a rough one. Oh my god. We're almost down. Oh my god. That's a rugged fucker for being single black. That's pretty rugged.
No, I just got to the point where I was so fucking tired I shouldn't have done that though, because it stopped at a bad spot. I got it moving again. That's a workout.
That kid on that bronze is just lapping this one.
The new one?
Yeah, right there.
Is that him?
Yeah.
Okay. He's a badass. Cool.
Yeah, that was a nice little clean he did there.
At least he maybe deserves the bike. I mean, in some fashion.
Yeah. Well, mine looks nice on the trailer. It looks nice with me walking down the trails with it. Oh, that's a little fucking hip jump, huh? Yeah, that little gap there. Fucking little. Fucking da.